What's up? It's Tristan from the Vamps. Very sleepy, but we are on our way to New York and doing a couple of promo out there, and then first show on the Mahone tour. So we're super excited about that. It's gonna be really, really fun.
Hey, so we are currently on the way to New York, and I was going to go through 3 things that I fly with all the time that I need. Number 1, most importantly, is my iPod and headphones. So music is essential. I listen to so much music, it's ridiculous. Secondly is my laptop. I'm watching Breaking Bad at the moment, nearly finished it, and then I'm going to do Prison Break. And third is my skipping rope, because if I ever have a spare moment in the airport or something to do some skipping, then that's good. Good cardio, but I don't think I can skip on the flight. We'll see what happens. So they're my 3 things, and yeah, I'm now occupied, ready to have a nice flight.
Can you go away?
So we're on the flight from London to New York for our 6-week adventure thing in America, and I'm going to tell you about how to get through a long haul flight as long as this. The first tip I have is you should always have a WH Smith bag. You should fill it up with travel plugs, cherry drops, Lucozade, and Monster Munch. And then this thing, Super Mario Brothers. You gotta have that on the go, otherwise you'll be bored. And then, last but not least, you should be a sloth and sleep.
Today, actually before, last night there was a crazy thunderstorm, and it was quite hard to sleep. But luckily we were refreshed enough because we had to get up at 4 AM this morning to do the Today Show. And we played our new single, Somebody to You, which is the first single out in America. That was great. It's kind of crazy seeing, you know, the actual sex. We've seen it so many times on TV and stuff. So yeah, so now we're just about to go to San Antonio any minute.
Get this kid out! Get out of my lens! Get out of my lens! Look at him. Who does he think he is? Taking my lens space. What is this? What kind of show is this? This is the Connor Show. Come on.
We're just about to sound check in Houston. I always knew you say Houston then, but Houston's not Houston. And yeah, I've realised, not that I had any negative expectations about the store. I knew it was always going to be awesome, but it's great having seen venues play this size, because like normally in England you don't get venues this size. This is like in between theatres and arenas, and this is a lovely sized venue, so good job, Austin. That's good.
Sound check. It's good. Come with me. Hey T.
Yeah.
He's been behaving badly.
We got some trouble.
Yeah, we do. I think you know what you've done.
No, again, Tony. I told you not to do it here.
I'm gonna do it in front of him. You're too bloody damn good at drums, that's your problem. Oh, God, I could kill him. He's so good.
I'm gonna club him.
Sound check done. See you soon.
So, I'm going to take you on a tour of our tour bus. So come with me. It's like when you open the DeLorean doors. We're going to start off at the wheel, the helm of this ship. The driver's seat, which I just found out is like a bloody... Whoa! I didn't know you could do that. It must be for all-terrain access. Oh. Any ground's covered with this seat. Bin here, put stuff in there. Coffee machine, toaster.
fan mail, which we have been reading. Sink, tap, kitchen roll, kettle. Probably not the best toy you've ever had. This is a seat. You sit on this. You just sit on it. And there's a little table there. PS4, we haven't got that working yet. A couple of guitars. Toilet, which is actually probably better than my toilet at home, to be honest. Really nice, and it smells lovely as well. Surprisingly. Yeah, great toilet. Here we have the fridge filled with Cristal jukes. And we've got Dyke. Oh, that was mine from earlier actually, I'm sorry. Vamps. Here. So, this is my bunk. This one here. The best one. But they're really nice. They've got DVD players in as well. Oh! Kobe. It's a great one. You should watch this. Classic. Yeah, I won't tell you the ending though. It's really good. General just chill. Nice like curvature. This. Here. CDs here which we've been signing for you beautiful peeps. Baggage storage area with a shredder little skateboard in the back. That's for Joe, although he is like Bambi, so I'll take the helm on that. I just burped again, sorry. And then a phone. Yeah, so yeah, bus done. Sorry for burping several times, that was pretty nasty. But anyway, that was my crib. Oh, no, I won't say that. But basically, get out, see you later.
Good luck, guys.
Cheers, man.
Yeah. Kill it, I'm sure you will. Thanks, man. Good to see you guys. See you later. Kill it.
Yeah, enjoy it, yeah, have a good one. It's showtime now, going down, Fifth Harmony on at the moment, smashing it, I'm sure. Yeah, Houston, Texas. Never thought we'd be playing here, this is crazy. Let's have some fun.
Look at me now, I'm falling. I can't even talk, still stuttering. This ground I'm on, it keeps shaking. Oh, oh, oh. Now, all I wanna be, all I ever wanna be, yeah, yeah, is somebody to you. All I wanna be, all I ever wanna be, yeah, yeah, is somebody to you. Everybody's trying to be a billionaire, but every time I look at you, I just don't care. 'Cause all I wanna be, all I ever wanna be, yeah, yeah, is somebody to you.
Maybe your packs, maybe your packs.
Do you want them?
How you doing? Good.
Oh, yeah, sickest show. That was probably the best show we've done in a long, long time.
Houston, you killed it.
Oh,
Killed it, man.
insane. That was sweet.